This is a video showing you how to measure for ID Spencer online bespoke tailoring clothes. There are three important things to note before you measure. You should have a tape measure and always measure in inches. To be accurate, you need a friend who can take your measurements for you. Keep a normal posture. To measure for the shirt, we need 10 measurements: the collar, shirt length, sleeve length, shoulder, chest, front of the chest, back, tummy, hips, and cuff. For the collar measurement, we ask that you run the measuring tape around the neck, meeting at the Adam's apple, with one finger between the measuring tape and the neck. For the shirt length measurement, you measure from the back down to the thigh. This should usually be on the lower part of the wrist. For the sleeve measurement, we turn sideways and find the shoulder bones. Place the tape measure 0.5 millimeter above the shoulder bone. Measure firstly down towards the elbow, and secondly down towards the wrist. For the shoulder measurement, we ask that you measure from the tip of the shoulder bone across the back to the other shoulder bone. For the chest measurement, we ask you to stand to attention, gently raise your arms, put the tape measure around the upper part of the body and lower the arms, bringing the tape measure to the middle with a finger between the body and the tape measure. For the front of the chest measurement, we measure the wider part of the chest, starting at one side and running to the other. For the back measurement, we ask you to turn your back and measure from under the armpit, across the back to the other armpit. For the tummy measurement, we ask that you stand to attention, legs together, slightly raise your arms, place the tape measure around the tummy, coming to the belly button. And for this one, you don't put the finger between the measurement and the tummy. For the hip measurements, we ask that you stand to attention, slightly raise your arms, place the tape measure around the hips, coming all the way around, lower your arms, and keep one finger between the tape measure and the hips. For the cuff measurement, we ask you to raise your arm, place the measuring tape around the wrist, taking note of where it meets.